Hi again, this is Irfan. This is what I have come across a couple of days ago. This is a huge GRAFLEX. This is a Century graphic camera with a Kodak lens. It comes with a top finder, the side range finder, come viewfinder, which makes focusing a little easier on this kind of camera. It's a 4x5 camera, I believe. It also has the back finder with the screen on it. Camera looks pretty okay. It's not that bad in terms of cosmetics. Looks pretty okay. Does show wear. What is more important is the fact that shutter seems to be working on this camera. Accuracy of the shutter speeds cannot be guaranteed, but it is firing. I tried different speeds. Even the slow speeds are responding okay, but at times they do stick. Faster speeds are working fine. Bellows do show some wear, but I don't see any like leaks on the camera. It has a very unusual Linhof made in West Germany grip base on it. There is no grip. Looks pretty good. Nothing fancy, but keeping in mind its age, looks good to me. I believe, if I'm not wrong, these are early press cameras. The finder on the top and the side finder, which has an inbuilt range finder, as I said, makes focusing a lot easier on this kind of camera. And there was one more, very old, nearly, I believe 110, 120 years old camera. And to everybody's surprise, it's also working fine. Shutter is working. But you know, again, the faster speeds are pretty good. The slower speeds are sticky. Pretty clean, keeping in mind its age. I believe it's a 6x7 camera, huge one. You could put it on a shelf, display camera piece, but it works. That's more important. It does show a lot of wear. It's not bad. This was my recent find. Thought let me share it with you. It goes all the way in and I believe this is how it goes. These are the folding cameras, they were called, with a grip to carry it. This is what I found recently. In case you have any questions, if you have ever used this kind of camera, please let me know. This needs a little bit of adjustment. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.